So this is a little makeup tutorial. My like makeup muse Violet, and I'm obsessed. She has some brown moment on the eyes and then red lips, very clean skin, just like effortless, because that's how she rolls. French chic. So I'm gonna start with a primer. This is Tatcha Silk Canvas. Are you gonna get ready, Gary?
I'm ready, babe.
Oh, must be nice to be a man. I didn't bring any foundation with me, but I'm gonna use this Healthy Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. It's an all year round hydrating tint moisturizer, and it's a really cool product because when you apply it to the skin, it releases color. So when you're tan, you know how it hides small little imperfections or pigmentation or anything like that. It helps for everything to look a little better. I like to use it as my foundation when I go out at night. I'm gonna use this Bye Bye Pore. And then I'm gonna move right to the eyes. So I'm gonna be using this Magentic Matte Eye Color from NUDESTIX. This is in brown. Same pencil I'll also use as an eyeliner to keep the color scheme going. And then just here a little bit. Let's do the brows right now. I'm using this Gimme brow. Okay, so I went a little more with the brown eyeliner, but that's basically it for the eyes. This is how I love my makeup. In, out. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. I feel like with her cheeks, she went a little more brownish and not any really other color. So I actually have this Chanel blush, Les Beige, which is a beigey color. It's time for the lips. So I'm actually trying this Rouge liquid powder by Chanel, but hers looks really red, so we might have to go redder or keep with this and just have our own version of that look. I adore these because they look like a matte stain and it just feels really effortless looking, even though it's so red. Topping it with the Rouge Allure Velvet in Imperial because I don't have the actual correct shade of red. So this was a super easy smoky eye to make, that little brownish feel to it with that one pencil. I used it as a shadow and as an eyeliner, and then I went for like a brownish beige type of blush. And beauties, thank you so much for watching my wannabe Parisian chic makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell, and if you want to check my blooming tutorial, check it right there.